Hope you all are fine. Today we will talk about preposition. Do you know what is preposition? It is a word that is used to relate a noun or a pronoun with other words, means other noun or pronoun in a sentence. So you can say that this word is used before a noun or a pronoun to express its relationship with other noun or pronoun and thus makes the sentence complete. But if you notice the word preposition, you will find that this word is made up of two words. Pre means before and position means placement. So this word is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with other noun or pronoun in the sentence. And it also gives the answer of where and when. Let's have a look at the examples. In the first example, the cat is sitting under the table. Under preposition is used before the noun table and shows the relationship of the table with the sitting placement of the cat. It also answers the question of where. Where is the cat sitting? The cat is sitting under the table. Similarly, in the second example, he will come back at 3 o'clock. The highlighted word is a preposition and is used before 3 o'clock to express the time of an action. So, this preposition is used to show the specific point of time. And it also answers the question of when. When will he come back? He will come back at 3 o'clock. So, a preposition can be defined as a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with something else in the sentence. In the next slide, we will come across different prepositions: over, above, on, onto, through, in, inside, within, beside, from, out of. Prepositions are divided into three different types depending on three situations. When does an event or a thing happen? Where does something occur? Or in which direction does an event or a thing happen? So it can be divided into three different types. Preposition of time, it has following prepositions which are used to indicate the time of an action. Prepositions of place, they tell us about prepositions which are used to show where something is located. And prepositions of direction indicate the direction of something. Preposition at is used for precise time. At 10:30 a.m., at 8 o'clock. It means as the clock strikes 8, exact timing. And in is used for months, years, centuries and long periods of time, as in 16 years time in 1991 in December. And on is used for days and dates: on a summer evening, on Christmas Day, on Christmas, on Friday. Since is used to refer to a specific point in the past. It is used to tell about the starting point of something. For explains the duration of something, how long something lasted or will last. It is always followed by a time expression that refers to a period of time. In the example, since 2009, since yesterday, since 5 o'clock, these prepositions tell us about a specific point in the past. And in the next two examples, for 10 years, for 2 hours, for 4 days, for preposition tells about the duration of something, the total time span of something in the past. Preposition by is used for single event. It means an event must happen before a specific time is reached. Monday is deadline, but before Monday information is to be sent. Until shows duration of time, continuous action till the date comes. During shows that something happens within a certain period of time, but it does not tell how long it happened. In the next slide, prepositions in, on, near, among, over, under, between, above are used to indicate the place where something is located. Next slide has a couple of examples to make your concept more clear. In this picture, you can easily figure out prepositions and their usage. In this given picture, preposition above shows that the picture is hanging higher than sofa and it has no connection with sofa, and the picture is not moving anywhere. It is stable, so we will use above. In the next example, over involves movement as the cat is jumping from one side of the chair to the other side. If we talk about prepositions like to, into, across, through, over, along, around, down, onto and towards, they are used to indicate the direction of something. Across shows that they walked from one side of the street to the other side. Along shows that they walked to pass the length of the street. Around means in a circular way. The balls are kept around the box. Into shows movement as the ball is going into the box. In shows that the ball is not moving anywhere, it is surrounded on all sides. Preposition OFF off shows disconnection and separation. Turn off the light. Switch off the fan now. Preposition OF off shows that something is made of the other thing, as the children have taken the qualities of their parents. Through shows that the ball is moving in from one side and coming out of the other side. Now beside and besides both sound the same but have different meanings. BESIDE, beside means next to. If we ask a question, where did he sit down? That is his position. So we use beside. Beside shows position. He sat down beside Mary. Preposition besides means in addition to or also. In the first example, who was there besides you? It means we are talking about the other people who were with you at a particular place. So it shows addition to the previous one. So that's all for this video. Thank you.